Yes, my people, here again. As you can see, working on a Behringer 2500 amplifier. Yeah. No signal, no sound from it. So, in it right now to find the problem. All right. Yes, my people, as you can see, putting some signal to it right now. Yeah, EVD is running. Yeah. Okay. All right. Switch is on. Power light is on. Oh, okay, if you notice, there's a red light clipping here. That is channel 1. Channel 1. This is channel 1. Connected. Connected. But still no sound. So you can see that there's a problem. This one is empty, nothing from that side. Yeah, so right now I'm gonna dig down in the belly of it to find the problem. Okay? Before. This one is a two-side board. This is a two-side board. Yeah, this one was worked on before. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let's see what's going on here. First thing first, have to check the voltage. Make sure the voltage is alright before we go any further. Yep. So we're working with here. I have to check the voltage to see what's going on here. We're going to DC. Yeah. Okay. Power is inside now. Okay. Alright, first thing first. Need to find the grounds. I guess the body is the grounds. Alright, go to the output. This is 5. Ah, shit. There's no voltage. No voltage. Alright, going from NPN to PNP to see if I get the full current voltage. Whoa, nothing. Nothing here, nothing here. Nothing here. Something is going on here with this amplifier. Okay. Checking capacitor voltage. Whoa. Alright, one side of the capacitor. Capacitor voltage. This amplifier is a powerful amplifier. It's Behringer 2500. Alright. The negative side of the capacitor is 43 volts. On the positive side is 44 volts. Yeah, that means it is up and running. It's good. So I'm supposed to get about 100 volts or 90 something volt here. Yeah, 88 volt. Alright? Yeah. So that side is good. Alright, checking the next side. Yeah, you get some voltage there. 43 volts. This side, 44 volt here. This is good. So the current is not reaching the output. So there's some problem here in the board. Yeah. So I need to dig a little further. So right now I'm going to check the next side. See. Yes, my people. As you can see, there's 4 little red and black thing here. Yeah. There's 4 little red and black thing here. Diodes. Yeah, these are diodes, yeah. These two here, yeah, reading bad. But this two is okay. So I'm gonna take out to replace these two to see if that's the problem. Only problem this side of it. Yeah, this is channel 2. Yeah, so I'm gonna change these 2 diodes. Those 2 are bad. Alright. That's my people, okay. Alright, change those 2 diodes. I get a little blink from the signal light. That means there was a signal into the left channel 2. Yeah, so that means I think that is something good. Yeah, so I'm gonna try it right now, make sure it's connected up and everything. I'm gonna try the left, the right side, number 2 channel. Yeah, there's a little blink in the signal light. That means it is good, but this one is still down. Nothing from this one. Okay. Alright, put some signal to it now. Voila, voila, voila. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about, man. This is Emmanuel Brown. Taxi turban. And I just can't fight the support. To live through the love of happiness. And don't turn me. As I'm falling away again. Am I really lots of time in all of these things? And I have to do myself so that is love. And I can enjoy. Oh la la la. Yeah, this side is good now. Yeah, this side is good now. So right now I have this side to work on, but when it comes to electronics, I don't work on it all day. Yes, my people. Yes, my YouTube fans. I don't know. You know what I mean? Yeah. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright? Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. Want to ask your question anyway. I need to ask you this question.